Did you know that one small error can impact your brand's credibility or even lose a potential client? With InvestGlass, those worries are now a thing of the past. I'm excited to introduce you two powerful InvestGlass new features for your next email campaign. When you send an email, go here to main email. Here, select now a template. So I'm going to select one, an invitation to an event I'm organizing. As you can see here, I have some variables. First name, source of lead, tax domicile. Before you send them, just make sure in the preview that those variables are working. What do I found? Here, the first name actually works. Luigi is here, but the source of lead did not appear because the information is empty. And the country, instead of having Italy, France, the UK, it's now a code. If I want to change this manually, I will go back to the email body and change those information before I send this email. Next, we added the new email feature template here. So before you send an email, you will have the possibility to ensure that your message looks pixel perfect, right? You can put your own email here to receive a test email. So this feature is helping you to save time, reduce errors, and elevate your email campaigns to the next level. I hope this helps you. Start using InvestGlass variables and completeness today, testing today. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you soon in the next InvestGlass video.